What's up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Late one today. I just woke up. Alright, let's get organized. Be right here. What's up, chat? Let's get organized, chat. Give me a moment. What's up, PR? Welcome, man. Just woke up a bit late today. Let's settle in for a couple of minutes and I'll show you what I've been working on. How you doing, PR? But I'm just smoking and chilling. They get so high, they get codependent. Don't pass the niggas, just smoke with women. Just stay the night, but give them hopes I'll visit. In the morning, I roll another spliff and lit it. Chrome glasses and kush ashes, where's the competition? Diamond chains get to the plane and they know my name. Models come out to party with us, they want kush strange. She a homebody naturally, but tonight she changed. Mixing liquor and wine. Diamonds in my AP, we'll have a hell of a Thanks, Guy. Thanks, Phoenix. I just woke up, man. Bit later today. Let me take care of the music. Give me 1 second. PR, you waiting for them tokens? Are you ready for the token weekend this weekend? Let me know if you're ready for the token weekend, guys. Nice, Phoenix. Let's run it. Let's run it this couple of hours. Alright, chat. Before I get into anything, let me get organized first. I'm all over the place today. Alright, chat. Damn, chat, my spitting game strong today, man. And just up my spitting game crazy. Alright, let's go Bessie Bong, chat. once the 24-hour jam session starts, all I need to do is open Replit, hit go, and start prompting. I would suggest you do the same for your projects, chat. Really prepare it so that once that 24 hours starts, you can just run it instantly. Yeah, definitely start building your prompts, man. Phoenix is on the right track. Shit, chat, it's bad today, man. I'll be spitting like a motherfucker, man. Alright, whoever's in the chat, let me know. Say hi. Don't be shy. And in the meantime, I hope you're all getting ready for Replit. It's gonna be a marathon weekend for sure. What's up, question mark? Welcome to the stream. I'm not sure if you're in the Discord, question mark, but I found this event for this weekend. So if you're building in Replit, this weekend is the weekend to get most of your work done. So let's get started right away. Next project I want to do is $vibeclub.com. Start by indexing the front end pages, and then we will do the dashboards. I will log in each time, and then before you make the document, I want to go over each page, and then you can set up the final prompt document so that we are ready for the weekend. Alright, I'm just running out the documents, chat. I'm just preparing for, I'm not really doing any coding today. I'm mainly just preparing. Anyway, chat, sorry I'm late today. I took a nap at 11 or 12, and it turned out to be longer than a nap type shit. Chat, let's run it up today. We've got 400 more subs we need, and then we hit 10k, chat. Let's get that 10k before the weekend starts. Let me check my Fiverr actually as well, because I did get some messages while I was taking a nap. Please do let me know. I am standby. Thanks, Tommy. Okay, just sending out some offers. Question mark. It's actually, in my opinion, not that expensive if you're able to monetize it. So it's really not that expensive in my opinion. Only, obviously, if you want to run a 24-hour session, and I'm planning to get about 10 projects done this week. A whole lot of projects I still wanted to fine-tune in Replit, just get details done. And yeah, it's gonna save me at least like a couple of $100. And I'm gonna try and even go up to $1,000 in burning credits. I've got 3 machines here as well. I'm setting them all up with their own, they've all got their own Replit accounts, which we've been doing here for the last 44 days. We're gonna get so much built for the Vibe Club, that's a fact. I'm probably going to get all the modules built that we want to get done there. Just use Replit for a whole day. Yeah, definitely tap into the stream. Get your goodie bags ready, get your footy bags ready. I'm getting everything stocked up for the 2nd, so I don't have to leave the desk and can just code out. Oh, chat, I'll be spitting like a mofo, man. I'm not gonna commit to 24 hours yet, PR, but I'll commit to a marathon at least. I'm gonna try and go 24 hours, but at the end of the day, I'm almost 40 as well, so I gotta see what I really can do, you know what I mean? But I'm definitely gonna be running a marathon, and I'm not even gonna turn on my brain. I'm just gonna take the documents and copy paste project by project as we're going. So the idea is to get all the prompting and all the thinking done now. But how much should I think about if you use it a lot during the day? It really depends, question mark. Let's say on average, if you were to launch a real project, and I do that for clients, I did about 36 projects this year so far. But I believe, yo, boss activity, welcome to the stream. I've seen you here before one time, I think. Phoenix, that's very funny that you say it, because I've got a Claude design moment planned today. Alright, let me just get this so that I can log in, chat. Yeah, boss activity. I might do Claude design now actually. So I will show you guys. I haven't even used it yet. Let's check it out together. Let's check it out together, chat. Let's watch that intro. Meet Claude design. Make prototypes. AI is so cool, isn't it, chat? Alright, give me a second, chat. I actually need to do my tags for this video. But we'll be working in Claude design in a few moments. That's for sure. Damn, man, we got a busy day, chat. Okay, so first let me log in for this agent because... Okay, I'm logged in as a admin right now. Please index the entire admin interface, check all the user stories, make sure everything on the front end is manageable, and then after we will still go over it page by page, but you can already start with that. So Dollar Vibe Club is going to be a big one on Saturday, chat. We're going to get so much done on Saturday. I can't wait, actually. To be really honest, I can't wait. Oh yeah, sorry, question mark. I didn't finish my sentence. So, for a complete website, let's say 50 pages and 3 user roles, I spend on average about $300 to $500 in tokens. But it's very important to know, question mark, that I don't pay the client tokens, obviously. I have my client pay for those tokens. But I can give you an actual view. I'll stop guessing. I'll just go to my Replit. Give me 1 second, chat. And I'll just show you. But obviously it's been a crazy month this month because I've been streaming as well. That's why it's also probably extra usage. But this is my usage. So for this month right now I'm at $1,000. And here if I go to my agent, you'll see what I've been spending on average. So we just launched the Dollar Vibe Club and I spent about $600 on the Dollar Vibe Club. But question mark, Question mark. It doesn't have to be expensive at all, because the way I'm using it is really on a token burn vibe. But actually, when you set up in Replit, you use GitHub as your island, and then you work with Claude or Codex or any other agent. You're basically saving Replit credits, if you know what I mean. And I'll be doing that on stream within the next 2 days. So I would definitely advise to give it a test, especially this weekend, seeing if it's free. Learn about Claude design. Wireframes, that's all I want right now. Landing pages and they're basically, in the end, you're gonna be able to you're already able to vibe code a full project with Claude, I'll put it that way. Okay, chat, if you want to know what we're doing, please lock in, because it's a free weekend this weekend in Replit. Yeah, Claude's much cheaper, question mark, if you're in the mood to take on all the technical stuff. What's up, fuckers? Fuckers, I hope you're ready for the weekend. Let me show you. Saturday, the 2nd of May. Free Replit all day. What am I doing? For all my projects, I'm now preparing prompt documents, so that Saturday we can go in and we can instantly start prompting and burning credits like a motherfucker. My advice to you fuckers, find at least one project, lock in, 24 hours, you could build a complete project in Replit. You literally could build a complete project, chat. I'm gonna be making a trailer tomorrow. Phoenix, if you, once you celebrated that birthday and you get an idea for the Replit, let me know for the thumbnail. But shout out to you today. You gotta keep it easy, just plan because it's your birthday type shit. 21, that's a major age. You get to go gambling again. Well, again, you get to go gambling. 24 hours for free, ready to have some fun. Free agent usage starts 5 AM, so be sure to do the time zone conversion to your time. My time is Saturday 7 PM, and you guys, you gotta take care from that. We're tapping in, chat, we're using the opportunity, creating the prompts here. This is all being created by Claude right now. So focus, lock in, make sure you're ready for the weekend. A later stream today, chat, because I fell asleep, so sorry for that, but you know the vibes. For sure, Phoenix. Thank you, brother. Alright, chat, get them prompts ready, man. If you've been wanting to build something the last 4 weeks and you've been here in the chat asking me how to do it, Saturday's the time. No excuses, you know what I mean? Alright, let me go to the next login. Alright, I'm logged in as a vibe coder or a student next. This is the main user dashboard and options. Have a rundown of that, and then we'll take it question by question. Do not start the documents creation or uploading to Google until I say the official word bundle. I've only been doing vibe coding commercially for the last 4 months, but I did take the entire 2025 to study it, and I obviously do have the last 25 years of experience building WordPress websites, Shopify websites, and all that good stuff. So I would argue I have half of my life experience, you know what I mean? But vibe coding's changing every day, chat. It's almost impossible to say you're the best at it right now. I think I could argue that I'm a better web designer and I've got some creative insight. Definitely not the best vibe coder, but we're learning every day as we go. All right, come on. For sure, and the journey is just started, question mark. I'm so happy that I get to stream it, because back in the day I had too much work doing the work. Whoever's in the chat, don't be shy, say hi chat. Let's lock in, let's get communicating, because we got to get planning for the weekend, if you know what I mean. Let me change my cam actually. What's up, chat? Getting the cam sorted. It's indexing all the sites for me, chat. Figuring out what we need to work on. Coming Saturday. And obviously we can do some freestyle prompting as well Saturday. But at least this way we're all already locked in for 50%. Let's put it that way. Come on, chat. Be sure to like the stream. Be sure to sub up and be sure to invite people. Now is the moment to invite your homies. You got a free weekend. It's a great weekend to teach them about vibe coding. No calls planned this week anymore, so we get to plan 2 days. So we're still ahead of schedule, chat. Like, we don't need to worry about that. Alright, what is this all? You can make a prototype, a slide deck. What is a design system, I guess? Logos and branding? Yeah. Well, this is not possible because it changes with each setup. What's up, Nico? Nico, I know who you are, Nico. That's nice of you for stopping by, man. Welcome to the stream. I've been checking out your streams also, man. I like the vibe. Nico, I wanted to tap in with you for sure, man, about possibly doing a podcast with 2 other vibe code bros. They also stream. Maybe once a week we're all 4 jump on a call. Let me know what your thoughts on it is. We are early in the industry, Nico, and it's all about collaboration, I think, setting up a good network. Yeah, Claude design really looks good, so I'll be looking at that, chat. But Nico, when you're here, you should definitely look at Replit if you're building in Replit. It's an entire free 24 hours. So right now I'm basically just prepping all my prompts for the weekend, so that the weekend I can just run everything through. Nico G, that's right, man. Nico G, chat. Shout out to Nico G in the chat, man. I'm a bit later than usual today. I had a little sleep, chat. You'll be putting in some long hours, Nico. You'll be on some 10-hour vibes. Let me put you guys mission control. I'm not sure if Nico's seen mission control set up before. Let's go mission control, chat. Yeah. Nico G streaming long, but he's working hard, man. He's building some cool shit. I've already seen what he was building. It's way above my pay grade. That's a bit too complex for me. I'm just a website hustler, you know what I mean? No, but he's building cool shit. Yeah, we got 3 local machines here. Actually, we're still working on the agent setup, but we got 3 local machines, and right now I'm just prepping them all with Replit so that I can run like 5 Replits at the same time. Alright, we'll get to prompting in a few, chat. And then I wonder, let's just say, a demo test website. And I want a wireframe. Let's create it. I want to see how the interface works, chat. I haven't worked in design yet. Take a back seat in mission control. Be sure to prepare for your... Alright, so this one's done. Then I also still have a moderator dashboard, a partner dashboard. Only right now none of those are done. So we probably should get that set up and prepared for the 24-hour session on Saturday. I'll probably be on your wave, Nico, on Saturday. I'll probably try to hit that 24-hour session. For now, just create me a 5-page website for a portfolio of a vibe coder with over 20 years of front-end web design and digital marketing experience. Let's see what he does, chat. I just want to see how... But man, why is it in white, man? Can't we go dark mode, chat? Where's the dark mode button, chat? They fucking with us. Sprint reality check. Question 1. Question 1, basically the moderator will help approve courses, will check messages, support stuff. So basically content management and user support follow-up. Question 2, mods should not be able to ban or suspend users. They can just flag stuff and the admin should have final say. Question 3, moderators aren't getting paid right now, aren't earning points, and do have a badge. And they can earn points actually as well. Partner dashboard. Question 4. Yeah, all 4 partner types can be shared as one dashboard. And question 5. The commission structure, there's no commission structure. The platform just charges $1 fixed fee moving forward. Co-branded landing page is not needed per se. Not needed. Nico G grinding hard for sure. Nico G, if you get the opportunity, I'd love to have you be part of the Dollar Vibe Club. We'll be building this over the next 2 days. We've been building this on stream for the last 20. And yeah, it's basically we're trying to teach people without any vibe code or AI experience how to get into it. And at the same time, people with vibe coding experience that want to turn it into a monetized skill, we teach that as well here. And then besides that, we got a bunch of community stuff going. Shit, chat, man, mucus game going strong. Nico's grinding hard for sure. What's up, Kubas? Welcome to the stream, man. All core functionality is working for now. Alright, Kubas, you better be locking in and preparing for the weekend. We have a full 24-hour Replit free day. So if you're doing anything in Replit, you better start building in that. What's up, pioneers? Welcome to the stream. That's very smart, Kubas. But what you should be doing is you should be setting up your prompting documents so that on Saturday, come the timer starts, all you have to do is come here and copy paste prompt by prompt. Get that done for every single demo that you need so that you guaranteed can get them all done. Pioneers, welcome to the stream. If you haven't been building in Replit yet, now's your time, pioneers. You know the vibes. I posted it in the Discord. 24 hours for free. We are right now working on planning all the prompts for all the projects. What's he saying here? Yeah, Jacob, for sure, Kubas. That's what we've been doing out here. Option A, book, invite light. Basically what partners are getting, partner role is actually set up for people who have platforms within the AI ecosystem that want them to get tested by us or want us to make a course on it. Some of the example platforms are Replit, Claude, OpenAI and all that good stuff, HeyGen and so on. So we don't need any revenue sharing. Basically, when you become a partner at Dollar Vibe Club, you are tapping into a community of newcomers and experienced vibe coders. I'm not sure what option B means, but figure it out based on what I just said. And then option C. Partners can have a public page promoting their software and they will be featured on the directory, but we got to set all that stuff up, so make sure you set that all up in all the prompt documents. Question 7, I would say a hybrid and figure out the best solution if you understand what we're trying to do. And partners do not earn vibe points, that's not needed. Before we start, let me know, because I want to go over page by page so that I can give my feedback as I'm browsing the page. Alright, Phoenix, go enjoy it with your friends today. Enjoy your birthday. Everybody drop a W in the chat for Phoenix. It's his birthday today. We still got PR out here. Ah, he's got the heavy mod day. Gotta get one for my daughter as well as get one for my son. 10 shows a month. And I'm the plug. Everyone at the Stoner Awards. I'm in another place. Alright, chat. Setting up. Ooh, let me look at that. Oh, he went in the Dollar Vibe Club style. Yeah, 50-50. I'm not really into wireframes. For sure, Kubas, I'll be here. Yeah, get it done. Whoever you can collab with, get as much work done as you can, chat. It's a Saturday, so we are going big. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be a busy month, and that's a great way to start May. Let's put it that way. That was a full rhyme, chat. Okay, so you just keep running. I'm not sure what you mean by phase A and Q9. I'm not sure about cancel memberships. I don't want any cancellations done, but the users should obviously have the option to cancel. The activity feed needs to be fixed for sure. The content management system needs to be built for sure. The course listing data is correct right now. That should be correct. That shouldn't change anything. Phase B, the moderators, that should be set up in phase B for sure, including the rest. And phase C, also the partner pages, set those up. And then phase D, and again for phase C, it's important to know that for partners we are targeting AI platforms that want users or want to educate users. And then phase D, public bugs for sure. And phase E is all good. So you can start that now, but don't bundle the document yet. Now I will go over page by page once you said to me standby. Give me a second, chat. Let me do the stream writings. Alright, the video is done. Okay, is this done? Standby. Okay, let me just go over it page by page. So this is one of the pages I also want to tackle and update. This is basically a world map, and it's fully programmed and scoped right now. So it basically shows our online users and all that good stuff. I do have an example, and I'll show you that in a few moments. You can see the example in the screenshot. That's kind of more the vibe I want to go to, where it becomes more interactive and stuff. I'll paste another link here so that you can also actually go online and visit it and test it out. Alright chat, let's let that run. Replit chat, don't forget, tomorrow, sorry, the second, oh, we've got a Fiverr brief, let me tackle that as well. There's more money Thursday. Web developer for vibe coded website. I'm looking for a developer to help me with my vibe coded website. Using the vibe coding. Hi, my name is Tommy, 20 years of experience and the last 2 years non-stop vibe coding. Please tell me more about your current project. Have you set anything up? Have you got anything online? Do you have a logo in place? And I would love to get you a quote, plan and perhaps a demo. Thanks, Tommy. Alright, just sent a message to Mike. That's nice. The next page I want to do is the home page. What is missing on the home page? I'm not sure. I think it's also important to note that we don't want any major design changes, and if we do design changes, I always want it to be in line of the current setup that we have. Also, they shouldn't change or delete anything from the database, only add up onto it so that we can extend this project. Let me know when you're ready and stand by for the next page. Please just say stand by and we'll get it done. Let me check the stream. Alright, we're chilling. Everybody locking in, I hope. What's up, Chunky Monster? Chunky, I'm happy to see you, man. I wanted to tell you for sure. Don't forget, Replit, 2nd of May, 24 hours for free. What are we doing today and tomorrow? We're basically preparing all our prompts that we're going to be feeding into it like a motherfucker. And we're going to try and bankrupt Replit. Get your projects done on the 2nd. Focus perhaps your web shop, Chunky. If you want your web shop going for your glass brand, you should start on the 2nd of May. You could basically completely launch it for $0. Sans, I didn't read it actually, but that's a good thing to point out. And I also didn't really see promotion of it anywhere else but on their Twitter. But I guess Sans, that's a really good remark, because I guess there's always fine print here and there, you know what I mean? But anyway, we're gonna burn as hard as we can and see where it ends. Just prepare all your prompts, chat. Get them all ready for every project you ever had in mind. Alright, I feel you, Chunky. Now I understand. They basically are doing it to get us to migrate to Replit, but anyway, I'm just telling you, you know the vibes. Okay, so what else do we want to change here? Alright. For the courses page on the front end and on the back end, when a student is taking a course, I want to keep the course as standardized as possible with the major platforms so that learning stays easy and it actually becomes useful. At the same time, I want to add in a option so that the courses become community generated, so community can give feedback and stuff like that. And also note that when we are creating courses right now, everything's set up with AI, so nothing of that should break. We should only enhance upon the course designs and the course detail pages. Right now we just have the standard flow set up. We don't have any community driven or upvote feedback items set yet for each lesson, but think about that and we'll take it from there. Let me know when you're ready for the next page. And then I'll go into here. The next page you will see is basically an initial beta version of our co-work office. And the idea is to be able to bring groups of people in and to actually get work done like in a physical office. Right now we have it as a beta feature with a live kit integration and a daily.co integration for an event or stage happening. I just want us to fine tune this completely. I also want us to have the option so that users can actually walk around in the room and stuff like that. And I want to make the map a bit bigger than it is. Right now you'll see all the features that are on it, and go and check it if you don't know, like you can mute, you can use emojis and all that good stuff. And the admin also has features to edit where the seating spots are and all that good stuff. So the co-work is definitely going to be a major part of the Dollar Vibe Club brand, and have a deep rundown on it, look at competitors or conceptual plans and see how we can enhance this experience. Let me know when you're ready for the next page, just say standby. Also let me know if we're missing any API integrations that could add value. One of the main things I'm missing in the co-work area is kind of a whiteboard session or screen. So yeah. Yo, seen that? Alright, a day or two and this CRM should be done. And regarding the art, I'm done with it, not making art anymore. Alright, Chunky. I just want you to get into Replit to do something, but if you're already locked in, I feel you, man. I feel you. Let me see what else we got. Right now we have a right now, hey man, why are you showing me that shit? Shit man, turn that off. Bruh, how do I turn this shit off? Right now we have a support page on the front end. I want us to create a couple of prompts for our 24-hour session, so that when a user comes here and is not logged in, they're able to get some support information and stuff like that. But at the same time, I want to turn this support area into a community-driven forum space. So people get to start topics, moderators and teachers can manage topics and all that good stuff. Set that up for this section, and once you're done we will go on to the next section. Just let me know by saying standby. What's up, Benno? You're definitely new here. Welcome to the stream, Benno Baba. What are you using for that speech to text? I'm using Whisperflow. Whisperflow is basically an official platform. These guys are doing a really good job. I just paid the couple of dollars every month. It's been great, Whisperflow. I've been using it for 44 days now, and it remembers also all your text. It learns how you speak and all that shit. And basically it saved me a lot of time on typing. I try not to type anymore, to be really honest, chat. Okay, so we got the support, the forums should get going. We've got the blog. Welcome, welcome, Benno. Are you into vibe coding, or you doing anything, or you just exploring vibe coding? Next up is the blog on the front end. I like the way it's set up now. The only way I need to figure out is how we can make content easier and faster with the help of AI. So, for example, it could be the admin logs in or the moderator logs in. We copy our YouTube video, post a link in it, and AI will rewrite it to a nice blog. I should be able to categorize the blog. I'm also missing category switches on the blog page, so get that done. Let me know when we're ready for the next page by saying standby. Tom the Gun, that's a great name. Hey, are you on some form of pro plan? Yes, I am Tom. Nice name, by the way. You know the vibes. And yes, I am. I'm on 2 Claude max plans of $20 US. And then I basically run a core plan on Replit. Plus I pay for extended use. I've got an OpenAI. I've got a HeyGen account. I've got an OpenArt account. So all in all, Tom, I did the calculation and I'm about $1,300 to $1,500 a month on AI subscriptions. But it's bringing me 10x in return, if not more, if you know what I mean. So I'm not really too stressed about that. As long as I'm making more than I'm burning, it's token burn season, chat. You guys know it. I said it 44 days ago. We're not holding back. And chat, whoever's new here, Benno, Tom, don't forget, Replit has a free day on May the 2nd. So if you've been following the streams and you've got an idea to commercialize, or you've got something that you've been sitting on for a month or a year, definitely go to Replit on Saturday, lock yourself in the house, put off your phones, get yourself a footy bag, a bug out bag, so that you're ready to vibe code 24 hours. And you could literally launch your entire project. We are now preparing all the streams for all my, all the prompts for all my projects that I got going currently. So I really believe that this is a huge opportunity for Replit users that want to get into it. For example, the Dollar Vibe Club chat, I was planning still to burn thousands of dollars in it, but we're going to get so much done on 2nd of May that we'll be able to optimize a lot of shit. Okay, so the next page is the community. As a main feature on the website, we have 3 main drop downs, being students, vibe coders, and community. Now, I want you to have a good think on all the possible drop downs that we could have for each menu. We have current drop downs and they should stay. I don't want to overkill it, but I definitely want to enhance it with value tools that keep people coming back to the website, that give them a reason to come back to the website. So have a look at that, and then let me know when you're ready. Say standby, and then we'll discuss the point system and the gamification part. It sure is, question mark. It sure is. I didn't show anybody here, but I'll do that as I'm waiting. Oh, I've got another chat. I will probably jump on a call with you tomorrow. Sure, that's no problem. I can always jump on a call, but it would be more easier to send me in advance a short briefing so I know what we're talking about, and then I can prepare better as well. Thanks. I'm just sending my Fiverr clients as well, chat, and I just voice them my messages. Basically, I've got a Fiverr account, chat. Most of you guys know it here. That's why I didn't want to bring it on stream today to not be too repetitive. But it is the foundation of my stream because this is how we pay the bills around here. So basically, I've had my own agency for the last 20 years. I've been on Fiverr for the last 3 years, done over 500 orders, 5-star reviews only. And for the last 4 months, I've been selling vibe-coded projects in Replit as a base. We did 36 projects over the last 4 months, and I've got one more order in the queue. I'll be working on that over the weekend because this one's also Replit, so I'm planning to run Replit hard. Matter of fact, let me send my client a message. Let me go to Laura. Laura, an important FYI, Replit has a 24-hour free day this weekend. So get me that document before the weekend starts. And then on Saturday I will run a full session and we don't burn any Replit credits. So we save and we can get most of it done then with the free 24-hour session. Alright, so I sent that to the client. So the client's also up to date that Replit is free for 24 hours. He's working. Okay, standing by. Alright chat, so basically when we were building this platform, we set up a foundation where the users will earn points site-wide by doing actions, taking courses, competing in challenges, even just logging in daily. Now basically the coming 24-hour session where we will have free credits, I want to get the full gamification part done, up and running, where we will be showing actual leaderboards. We've already got about 60 users actively doing things on the site and earning points. And then at the same time, I am thinking of a kind of a web shop where we will be selling merchandise soon. But people should also be able to buy with the points that they're earning. That's just a basic idea. Build upon that, make sure that the prompt documents are all set up good so that we're ready. Let me know when you're ready for the next topic page. Just say standby. Man, I swear to God, chat, the whole day I don't got no mucus, nothing. I get on stream, I start speaking to you guys, and I be spitting like a motherfucker, man. Everybody needs them tokens. Tom the Gun, I love the name, Tom the Gun. I'm curious where you're from, Tom the Gun. Beno Baba, let me know where you're from. Always interesting to know. Dollar merch, let's go. Dollar merch, let's go, for sure. For sure. I was actually going to keep it private, but I forgot I'm on stream when I said that. What's up, Shawan? Bosnia, wow. I haven't got anybody from Bosnia yet. Bosnia and Herzegovina. That would be great. I don't know if you know about the Dollar Vibe Club, Beno Baba. But if you do join, we can see you pop up on the map. And honestly, I haven't got anyone from Bosnia yet. It would be an honor to have you here. Basically, Dollar Vibe Club is going to be a platform that offers a lot of value, and like PR said it once, you pay $1 a month and you basically getting $10,000 a month of value, and it's going to be $1 a month forever for whoever joins now. I will update the price later as we go, but I'm just saying, join up. I would love to have Bosnia on the map. Tom the Gun, UK every day, bruv. That's I've got some UK blood. You know the vibes. So I would definitely love to have you guys around. I am inspired by you. I want to learn vibe coding. What do you recommend, sir? Well, Alan, the first thing I would recommend is go to dollarvibeclub.com. I'll actually post it here in the chat and I'll pin it. And if you sign up for a Dollar Vibe Club subscription, go to courses. What courses will we be teaching? And we'll be adding a lot more courses. And I won't be the only teacher. There's a lot more teachers going to be coming, so that we get a really community-driven ecosystem where people can learn. So if you don't know anything about vibe coding, Alan, you should come to this page and look at how to replit, how to build in public, how to web design. And we are fine-tuning those courses very soon. If you check the streams back of the last 2 days, you'll see we did a lot of updates technically. I just got to roll them out. But now we're preparing for this big marathon. You see, chat, we're like athletes, man. We're preparing for these marathons like they ain't no tomorrow, you know. Okay, so that's done. Let me see if we can add anything else in it. Nice, Alan, that means a lot. That means a lot. And once you tap in, join as a student and complete your onboarding. And then I'll see what your profile is. And that way I can also match you with the right teachers in the future. It's a lot right now for me to explain everything, but also the co-work sessions, I'll be able to match you with the right courses and stuff. But I would be curious to know where you're from, Alan. Alan Krit Sharma. I think I'm pronouncing that right now, but I'll just call you Alan. I actually like that name. It reminds me of The Hangover. I'm just saying as a joke, but you know the vibes. But I'm happy to have you and I'm happy to welcome you. If you join now, Alan, it's only $1 for the rest of your life every month. And other people that join later will probably end up paying 10 or 20. From India, doing a master's in CS in Germany. Nice. CS is computer science, I'm guessing, chat. I'm not so techie, but that's great. And that's great. If you're in Germany, it actually gives you a lot of potential to do a lot of vibe coding projects. Oh, chat. Okay, so while he's still running, I think we are good here. For this, I also want to make sure that we build everything in so that I can start getting onto the SEO optimization and start promoting it and making sure it gets out there. Chunky, we should definitely tap in for that SEO. I need that SEO magic of yours. Alright, Shawan. I'm not checking websites right now, but I'll keep it standby, and when I do, yours will probably be one of the first ones I'm checking. Shawan, I want you to go to Replit and prepare for 2nd of May. You'll be able to work 24 hours for free in Replit. So I hope on Saturday you got all your prompts ready. That's what I'm doing now with Claude Cowork. I'm setting up all my prompts so that we can go in and log in and just start prompting on Saturday, chat. Okay, you can start. I don't want you to build anything, but you can bundle it fully into the documents and upload to Google. And for this project, I want you to add one extra document, and I want you to call it suggestions, and that should discuss a bunch of features and concepts that we haven't, or I haven't thought of yet or discussed with you. That way we'll be able to move fast on Saturday and even extend upon the modules that we've had, that we've got. Get it all done. Make sure all the documents are in the Google Drive. Thank you and good luck. Don't forget, chat, I haven't said it today, but always say thank you and good luck to your agents, because Skynet is real. Terminator's coming. Alright, while he's running this, chat, I'm just gonna pop in. We got Martin from the Netherlands right now. Martin, definitely drop a message in the chat on YouTube so I know what your name is, unless you're using the same. Alright, Chunky Monster, some good brains. Recently attended a few hackathons and saw that now students have completely switched to Vibe Code. I want to learn how to plan and execute efficiently. 100% Shawan, that's what we do here. How many projects can we run at once in Replit? I believe you can run multiple projects. I would argue up to 2 or 3. And even if you've got multiple machines, I believe you can run multiple. Ah, alright, question mark. Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you hanging around. I couldn't think how I could rinse the free Replit, but your SEO comment got me thinking. I will revamp my existing SEO guide. See there. Alright, and is there any module I can use from you, Chunky Monster, to make that shit go faster? Well, burn it out and get that SEO guide going. We're slowly grinding to 10k subscribers, chat. We should get there by the weekend. So it's gonna be everything coming together. We got the Replit Marathon, 10k subscribers on YouTube. Probably a Fiverr project going on. It's gonna be a busy season actually. Alright, he started creating the documents. Let's wait for them to pop in here after. I'm gonna take a little stretcher, chat. You know what that means. I'm gonna go and keep myself here in mission control. We're already 1 hour in. You know the vibes, chat. Everybody be sure to drop a like and subscribe while I'm gone. And try to invite at least one person, because I'm telling you, free weekend, easy money, chat. Too much smoke in the room, gotta open the door. Telling me she gotta drive home. Laughing at everything, that's what we getting high for. We spending hours on the stream with our eyes low. Don't even cough off the bar when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed out when I need help. Send your glass through the ball, spark a leaf of kush soap. 10 puffs in a row. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yup, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff.
Alright chat, we're back. Round 2. Let's run it up. Calm stream today, just preparing. I've got my spit game going strong. Bundle that shit for me, boy. Alan, you speak German, Alan? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck.
Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yup, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on every day of the week.
Oh chat, what a life, right? Just preparing for a marathon weekend. Back in the day I used to prepare completely different for these kind of weekends, chat. It really used to be a weekend that I would dread, kind of, to be honest, because I know I would have to do a lot of coding and debugging lines and lines of PHP. Man, this is so easy. All we gotta do is prepare, set up the documents, and we're vibing, man.
Too much smoke in the room, gotta open the door. Telling me she gotta drive home, laughing at everything.
You know what's up.
We spending hours on the stream with our eyes low. Don't even cough off the bar when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed out when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, spark a leaf of kush soap. 10 puffs in a row. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yup, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff.
5:30 AM chat. I'm a bit slow today because I had a long nap. That wasn't that good today. I wanted to stream earlier. But you know the vibes. That's the beauty of being a vibe coder and a freelancer. We get to do whatever the fuck we want, chat. Nobody tells me what time to wake up. Nobody tells me what time to do this. We just do what we want, chat. That's the only reason I would argue. That's the main reason I'm an independent contractor. Because I'm not in the mood to have people on my nuts, you know what I mean? Yeah. I've been thinking about it. I've also been thinking about probably a lot of brands won't like me smoking weed on stream, but at this point in life I don't really care anymore, chat. Like, I can take care of myself, you know the vibes. But I am looking for cool brands to join up and partner, support the community. Don't judge a book by its cover type shit.
4-footer nose dab. Get high when you come here and you know that. We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing, you can hold that. On point, butt naked doink, you know I rolled that. Hold that, take it right.
Come on, man, run those run those documents for me. And then I want to get on to the next project that I actually want to get the foundation done for, and that's going to be Baked OS. So I got to think how I'm going to do that, chat. But we still got 2 days to prepare, so we're not rushed per se. Whoever's here and needs help setting up their prompts or setting up their idea, let me know in the Discord, and we'll tap in by the weekend. Come on, get them all done. Man, I think we might all crash the system tomorrow of Replit. I think if we all go in the entire Discord, we've got like 100 Discord users. I do sense if I am stuck with a concept, then I'll have the prompt to put into Replit is to say design me 3 artifacts, and then it'll design you 3 different web pages. So I do use the design when I'm stuck creatively, but mostly I'll jump straight into website because I know what I need. Telling me she gotta drive home, laughing at everything, that's what we getting high for. We spending hours on the stream with our eyes low. Don't even cough off the bong when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed help when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, sparkle leaf. So exciting, man, so exciting. We can just sit here and everything's getting prepared, chat. You can clearly see I also switched over back to co-work chat just for the better, just for a little vibey interface, so I can get an actual co-worker working, you know the vibes. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on every day of the week. We be smoking strong. Every day of the week. All right. Every day of the week. We be smoking strong. Come on, man, create the documents. You gotta type faster, Agent. Agent Claude, please. Type faster, homie. I've got the local machines already with Replit chat, so that's already prepped. What? Bestie bomb, 4-footer nose dab. Get high when you come here and you know that. We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing, you can hold that. On point, butt naked doink, you know I rolled that. Hold dab, take it right now, the glob was so fat. Told chat that they could choose, now you can't go back. It's time to get high as a motherfucker. Put that one you had out, go ahead light up another. Roll some good up with wolf top. Keep sending subs, I keep doing push-ups. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. 350 to go, chat, and we hit 10k. And then it's been an incredible milestone. So let's say by day 50 we'll be at 10k. And I definitely want to thank each and every single one of you. 10,000 people is a lot of people. It's really a lot of people in my mind. So I hope to be adding a lot of value, and I hope to be winning you guys' trust to be able to show you the Dollar Vibe Club. And I hope all of you 10,000 will go to the Dollar Vibe Club and create a membership. That would be pretty amazing. But in order for that to happen, I have to add value first, and that's what we're working on right now, chat. We're preparing everything for Saturday. Saturday we're gonna run that marathon. Let me actually check what the title is of today's stream. I actually might remove these thumbnails. Give me a second, chat.
I got myself a weed elf when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, spark a leaf of kush soap. 10 puffs in a row. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat. That's another.
Alright, that's day 42.
Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole
Day 43.
One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat. That's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough.
And then day 44, I'll put vibe coding at Replit marathon preps. And I'm actually not sure if I need that thumbnail there, so I might take that thumbnail away. Alright, he's handling the SEO still. And then let me actually check what projects I had here that I might want to work on. This one can be deleted. Oh, my personal portfolio. Yeah, I need that personal portfolio item done. Yeah.
I ain't tripping on nothing. You can hold that on point, butt naked doink. You know I rolled that. Hold that.
That's very good. I need my personal portfolio, so that will be website 5. Next up, I will need a new website for my personal portfolio, which will be on my domain name tommyyip.com. You can visit that right now, but right now it's just taking you to my Fiverr account. Basically, I want the portfolio to represent me as a person, my extensive work and track record. I can go over that with you entirely. And I want it to allow the conversion to always push to my Fiverr profile. I want you to set up a base for me so that I got all the prompts so that I can have a home page, an about page, a visuals page. That will be a page where I post all images and media. Perhaps a blog page where I blog and write my personal thoughts to share with the community. And then services page. The services there could have details, but they always lead to Fiverr, or not even details, maybe just the services with overview of the services and then just a click to the Fiverr. For this project, it's important to note that I've been a developer for over 25 years and I've built and launched and managed over 1,000 websites. And I've also got 500 5-star reviews on Fiverr. So I want it to stand out visually. I don't want it to be a standard boring portfolio site. So set that up, and during setup you can just use demo images, but I will update the images with official images as we go. Alright, we'll run that in a few moments.
We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We lit, turn you on every day of the week. We be smoking strong. I roll one, you roll one. Every day of the week. We be smoking strong. I roll one, you roll one. Every day of the week. We be smoking strong.
Okay, so that is organized, ready to go. Let me check the stream. Alright, everybody's locked in. I hope everybody's preparing for the Replit then. Let me spark up when no one's chatting.
4-footer nose dab. Get high when you come here and you know that. We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing, you can hold that. On point, butt naked doink, you know I rolled that. Hold dab, take it right now, the glob was so fast. Told chat that they could choose, now you can't go back. It's time to get high as a motherfucker. Put that one you had out, go ahead light up another. Roll some good up with wolf top. Keep sending subs, I keep doing push-ups.
Upload all 10 of them, come on. Upload all 10 of them, boy.
Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole
Let me switch to a little face cam for the people who pop in. Shout out to the newcomers today, Benno, Mario. Shout out to you guys. Tom from the UK, shout out to you. I know a Tom in the UK. Well, I guess most people know a Tom in the UK, right?
Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Went to sleep stoned and wasn't mad at all. Probably take a dab and fall. Come up here and have a ball. Come up here and take a rip. Whole zip. Everybody smoking their own.
You can create a new folder for that in the Google Drive. Don't create the documents yet. I want us first to go back and forth so that we can fine tune the concept. And once I say bundle, you can start working on all the documents and uploading them to Google. Well, while Replit is working, you'll be doing a lot of waiting PR. And I'll show you guys tomorrow how we can load like 50 tasks into Replit so that you can just load it once and then sit back for 2 hours and do nothing and watch the tokens burn. Replit is worth 9 billion. I think by after the weekend, I think they'll be worth 8 billion.
Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want.
Hey Tommy, I wanted to ask, how do you usually present your portfolio to clients? Do you use a personal website or do you prefer? Right now, Shawana, I just send them to Fiverr, but recently I've been getting some intakes from YouTube, people that found me on YouTube. So I'm setting up a portfolio on Saturday. You can see me prompt it now. You'll basically, if you look at my screen now, what you see in the chat box is my prompt for my portfolio website. First, let's wait till the Vibe Club's done because I'm just prepping every single prompt for about 15 projects. I'm also getting all the bugs and updates done for my clients so that I can do that all now in one go. Then I don't even have to worry about that in May. You know the vibes, chat. I'm so excited for the weekend.
What? Bestie bomb, 4-footer nose dab. Get high when you come here and you know that. We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing.
Google Drive, Claude, Replit, GitHub. That's kind of the stack for the weekend, and then I guess OpenArt and OpenAI for some artwork. I'm looking at Higgsfield. I think the chat brought me to Higgsfield a week ago, 2 weeks ago, so I'm looking at Higgsfield more and more. Usually clients don't ask to see a portfolio with me, Shawan, and I'll tell you why that is. Because before a client gets to speak to me or see me, I've mostly already done an intake and set up a demo, because I tell them that every project's almost unique. So that's why once they see the demo, they don't really ask about it because they kind of already see what's possible. I've only used Midjourney back in the infant days, Chunky, and that was a pain in the ass because that was via Discord. Well, don't say that out loud in public, PR. I'm guessing they will probably look at existing accounts and shit. And they didn't say anything, but that's probably what Sans meant about the fine print. It's like, are there rules to it? I don't know. But honestly, for you, I couldn't answer, but for myself, if they say that I'm scamming or cheating, man, they can go to my streams. I'll run like I run in total like 15 or 16 Replit accounts for clients, so. But that is a smart move, PR. But you basically don't need to, because you can run multiple projects in one account, PR. You can have multiple agents working in Replit. Just as Claude, you can have 3, 4, 5 sessions if you want. You guys gonna see me lock in on Saturday. I think it's gonna start around 7 PM my time. So I guess that will be around afternoon your time, PR. And I'm not gonna be doing anything. I'm just gonna be reading the prompts that are all being set up now. And I'm gonna smoke a lot of weed. I'm probably gonna get a lot of cakes. I'm gonna stack up on chips, snacks, whatnot. And it's gonna be a long time that I did a 24-hour session. I'll say that. I'm 40 years old, chat, so I don't usually do 24-hour sessions. Well, I have to be honest, the last 24-hour session I did was in November, when I was working on a project called Skilly. And Skilly is actually what Dollar Vibe Club became today. So that was 24 hours. That was actually 48 hours, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Man, life is so amazing when you just see the tokens getting burned here, the Google documents getting made. All I gotta do is come in Saturday, spark up, and get copy pasting. I might even have to run a little steam on the background Saturday, chat, just in order to stay awake for those 24 hours. When Replit is working and doing 50 tasks, I can maybe run a little game on stream, just to stay awake, you know the vibes. I might get some Fortnite going, chat. Whoever wants to run Fortnite, get Fortnite going by the weekend. It's time to get high as a motherfucker. Put that one you had out, go ahead, light up another. Roll some good up with wolf. Shout out to the OGs, man. I haven't forgotten you. I haven't seen them today yet, but shout out to Mo, shout out to Mia, and shout out to Thomas. I'm wondering if Ethan will make it back. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bowl, tell me what you want. Is this in this era to succeed? You've got to burn more tokens and calories. Huh? Tell me about it, Shawan. I'm burning tokens and calories, bruh. Come on, run it up, run it up, run it up. And then I've got another website that I want to do. That's going to be the agency website. That's just Yip XYZ. Actually, this is the one. Take a dab, but no, she ain't done it before. Too much smoke in the room, gotta open the door. Telling me she gotta drive home. Laughing at everything, that's what we getting high for. We spending hours on the stream with our eyes low. Don't even cough off the bar when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed elk when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, spark a leaf of kush soap. 10 puffs in a row. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, one puff, one puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Are they doing a stream on May the 1st? So I guess they're gonna announce it on the stream, so we'll join the stream tomorrow, chat. We'll join that stream tomorrow. It's on Friday. Friday Replit will stream. We'll definitely join that stream. Find out the goodies. Find out the goodies and get it going. 1 hour and a half in, chat. Let's let this run. Once this is done, we'll run the portfolio one. And it's empty. I will also put on TommyYip.com. For sure, PR. I said it also like 30 days ago. I said tokens are gonna be the new currency in the future. People are gonna say, how many tokens you got? How many tokens you got? We're gonna need tokens to run AI for everything. You're probably gonna need tokens to run AI to get your laundry done, if you know what I mean. It's time to get high as a motherfucker. Want some good up? I keep doing push-ups. One puff, another puff, another puff. Going to count it, chat. That's another puff. Huh? Your AI door lock won't open, PR, or your AI house won't turn on. One puff, another puff, another puff. Going to count it, chat. That's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. One up, whole pound, that'll be enough. We will. So we got, let me see the projects we're gonna be doing actually, chat. Let me just get organized on that matter. Replit 3-day Replit. We got Brow 3x client rundown. Isaac 2x client rundown. We got Laura 1x app launch. We've got Connie 1x debug. What else we've got? Swipe. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Whole pound, that'll be enough. We turn you on every day of the week. And we've got, let me check my Fiverr a moment, chat. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Every day of the week, we be smoking strong. Alright, then we've got, so we'll put this as clients. And then we'll put personal. And that is to do. We've got the Dollar Vibe Club. So this is on 2 May. Slay Day. We'll call it Slay Day, chat. 2 May Slay Day. Let's get it done. Personal community is the dollarvibeclub.com. I want to work on the foundation of bakedstudio.com. I want to set up my own tommyyip.xyz and tommyyip.com. I want to work on the agency website xyz.com. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just check what domains I order. I'm gonna build a website for every single domain. Fuck that. Fuck that. Chat, if you're with me, just go to your domain panel, look what domains you own, and build a full application for every single domain that you can. I'm telling you, let's bring Replit valuation from 9 billion to 8 billion, chat. Alright, let me go to my Belgium hosting first. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room clouded up. Clean bone, tell me what you want. Hold down, that'll be enough. We turn. Slay Day. Who's ready to get it on Slay Day? Alright, let me see which domains we actually have here. This one we'll keep. This one is good. Big Dow. I might do something for this, so I'll put this here for maybes. I'll call this the maybe baby.
smoke in the room, gotta open the door. Telling me she gotta drive home. Laughing at everything, that's what we getting high for. We spending hours on the stream with our eyes low. Don't even cough up the bong when I clear the smoke. I got myself a weed elf when I need help. Send your glass through the bong, spark a leaf of kush soap. 10 puffs in a row, one puff, another puff, another puff.
Maybe, baby, I'll do bigdow.com. It coming soon.
We got the whole room clouded up. One puff, another puff.
Alright, that can be for the future. Maybe chat, just because it's free day, I might do bigdave.ai as well, just a coming soon page. Then what do we have? Alright, it's payday for another hosting, that's good. Somebody has to pay up. What's actually being created on this domain name? That's my question. Well, I've got this domain name and I'll give it to NapDev. I'll give it to NapDev. NapDev, if you've got any questions, come to the stream and ask them.
Bestie bong, 4-footer, nose dab. Get high when you come here and you know that. We gon' smoke it all, roll the whole bag. Tell them put it out if the smoke's bad. I ain't tripping on nothing, you can hold that. On point, butt naked doink, you know I
Man, chat, that teacher throat is really bad, man. That teacher throat is really Expand the net, if you know what I mean, chat. It's survival mode out here, you know what I mean? This is a startup, Dollar Vibe Club. We will have to accept that not every brand wants to work with us just because we smoke weed on stream and shit. Oh, question Martin, I think me playing your music just got me a little bit copyright. Let's see after. Don't copyright me, bro. Let's check out second live, chat. It's been so long, I'm waiting anyway for this fucker to get his work done. Let's just prepare for upcoming stream. And I actually just want to see. Let's first go to the forums. Alright, so I want to see what people are offering right now. Okay, so it's pretty recent. You can see they've been posting yesterday. The most of them is still the standard jobs, DJs and entertainers. Alright. Let's go to the merchant side. AI in marketplace ads. How many active users does Second Life have daily in 2026? To grow, we must suffer 100%, Jacob, but suffer the smart way. Make it yourself comfortable. Don't put yourself in positions that you have to suffer, you know what I mean? But it is right. To grow, you have to suffer a little bit. Character is only shaped out of adversity. 40 to 50,000 users daily. Daniel Voyager. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. But it is a great way to go around the world, chat, and it is a great way to get shit done or to stay busy, let's say. Obviously, I have to be aware because Second Life is not always safe, the environments and shit. So I gotta think about that on stream, that I don't get banned or anything. So let's get that going, man. Let me see if I've got Second Life here. Oh man, didn't I install that shit? Alright, let me install it, chat. I can prove it. I've got an OG account. My account's at least 15 years old. I used to be in this game, actually working hard. I used to actually make currency here, chat. Real world currency. No cap. Come on, man. Let's see if my machine can even run it without crashing, chat. I might even have to run it on my other machine to be smarter, you know that? But then the quality ain't gonna be that good, so let's try it. 60k people, if I can just get 1,000 people to work for the Dollar Vibe Club in Second Life, that's a success, and we could potentially get that done in 30 days, 30 to 60 days. Come on, man, run it up, run it up. Almost 9,700 subscribers, chat. And then it's 300 off from 10k. I'll get some 10k cake tomorrow. And the next is to push it from 10k to 50k, chat. And then once we can go to 50k, we can start doubling it. And then we jump 100, 150, 200. And it should give us more push as we've grown now. Growth should increase. And we've got a full schedule for the next few weeks already. Good content coming. Well, good content. It's basically me just working in public doing my shit, chat. You know the vibes. Seeing that the cam works. Two and a half hours live, chat. Let me take a little sip. Alright, chat. Slowly getting there. I love how that the Google Drive is filling up slowly. So we've already got 4 projects prepared. Got at least 10 more to go by Saturday. So that's what we're doing right now on stream, chat. It's not always fun and games. Sometimes it's a bit boring. But hey, that's part of the game, right? Alright, let's open SL. Let me see if I can log in, chat, because it's been so long that I've been in it. Alright, I'm gonna have to find my password. Give me a second. Alright, this is second live, chat. Welcome. Didn't think I would be doing that on stream, but hey, I gotta wait anyway. I'm just doing my office shit. Welcome to the virtual world, chat. This might be new for some of y'all. Am I crashing? Alright, give me a second. I might be crashing, chat. You're right, chat. Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? Am I back? I closed off the second live. That's not gonna work. Am I back? Drop a 1 in the chat if I'm back. I should be back, Martha. Let me check Streamlabs. Yeah, we should be back. Alright, chat. Sorry for that. You see, I was testing on stream and we crashed. It's all good. We're back. Thank God for that. Alright, I won't test that on stream. Let's just continue with the agents. Damn, that's only how we find out, chat, by doing. You know the vibes. Alright, we should be good. Okay. Oh, chat, I might need another smoke break where I take a stretcher. Let's get ready for the morning session. Probably have to get some breakfast soon too. I'll be right back, chat. Alright, Benno, thanks for that feedback, man. That helps a lot. Oh, alright. It probably was raining all the internet, but no problem. I'm gonna put it on the other machine and then I can load it in like that soon. All good. But do you guys, there's not a lot of people in the chat right now, but do you like the idea of the virtual office where actual people that log in 24 hours a day will be working? Or is it maybe better to focus on a Minecraft world? Who knows? Or a GTA world? Alright, chat, be right back. I'll pump up the volume for you guys a bit. Let's go, chat. Be right back. I think so too. Question, Martha. I think so too.
What is the matter for today?
Money.
Couple joints at a time. I'm good, the bong rib too. What? I like them athletic brown hair. Down to smoke something and gon' be with me when the smoke clear. Light it up, no fears. Legendary. Status of a goat here. What am I supposed to wear? Jewelry in both my ears. Chrome every layer. Smoke veggies while you niggas smoke Reggie. Always ready. Shoot the shot, no hezzy. Got responsibility. When you rich, the crown get heavy. I'm rich cause my soul's not empty. My kids here with me. I live simply. Gym every day, some bones getting clean. Just seen Ty low riding on the stream. Me and Spitter talk, new album on the way. I'm feeling ashtrays, accountability pays. I'm doing positivity plays. Khalifa Kush strings, less to lose, more to gain. I could never do this for the fame. My happy place is a jacuzzi in the rain. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor. I could take you all new places. Exclusive shit ain't no more basic. I'm the one, ain't no replacement. Khalifa Kush hit it once you taste it. They let us do what we want cause we famous, famous. What can I say? Became the realest and stayed it. The money ain't change us. Change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us. Change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us. Change us, won't change cause we came.
Okay, chat.
Ain't change us.
Alright. Man, is he still uploading to... Well, Dollar Vibe Club was a big project. And that was the idea, to get that done on stream. So we'll just let him run. Shout out to some Japanese person joining the subscribing. I can see you subscribing here. Appreciate that. Don't have a dirty bong, chat. I wonder how my token burn is going actually, yeah? Alright, we're just getting started. We're just getting started, chat. Let it run up. Fuck it. Hit the bong for the chat. When I hit 50k subscribers, I'll go buy a bong, Jacob. When I hit 50k, I'll buy a gravity bong. When I hit 50k, I'll show you which one I'll buy. When I hit 50k, I'll buy a gravity bong. This is the one I'll buy, chat. You know the vibes. Get that high-end stuff going, chat. You see? Just blows out for you, man. This is coming when we hit 50k subs, chat. And then we'll up the game, if you know what I mean. Come on, man. Start running in mine. Come on, man. Don't forget, chat, while we're waiting, if you haven't joined the Dollar Vibe Club yet, please do join. It means a lot. And I'm telling you, the prices are going up soon. Whoever locks their dollar price in now, that's for a lifetime. You can't tell me that I didn't warn you. And I'll be putting it on stream this weekend so that people clearly see it. And we're gonna go up incremental. The next price increase is going to be $2 a month. So tap in, be early. Next 30 days we're still running it for $1. Tell your friends, tell your family. Even though we are still in alpha mode and we're still working on fine-tuning the courses, getting the videos in and all that shit, it's definitely worth joining. That's my advice, chat. What's up, Dominic? Welcome to the stream. Daily on fire, for sure, man. Dominic, I hope you're aware of the Replit challenge. Replit has got a challenge going, not a challenge, Replit has just got a birthday coming up. And Replit is free for the entire 24 hours. So basically what we're doing today is we're setting up all our prompts for all the projects we want to get done during those 24 hours, so I can just copy paste. That's what we're working on right now. But if you've got your own projects, man, get on it. It's free. Free money, chat. That barely happens in life, so tap in. You could build, actually you could build 5-6 projects, launch them without any cost, chat. Obviously you will have the hosting costs and stuff like that afterwards. But that's the part where Replit gets to earn, and no problem. Once you pay hosting, that means you're getting traffic. Come on, man. Everybody lock in, man. Everybody lock in, man. Alright, I'll check it later on, Jacob. I just want to stay organized right now on getting these prompts done. But I'll check it in a few. I'm going to open the Discord in a few. I didn't do Discord today yet, so I'll do it in a few. Come on, man. Upload that shit to Google Drive. It's literally one button. You click upload, boom, you should be ready. Chat, come on, man. Right now, Martin, I'm hosting it directly onto Replit, and that's why I pay the monthly Replit subscription. It's almost as much as if I would go pay my own VPS. I've got a VPS, but in that case, I only use the VPS for WordPress sites. Otherwise, I'll spend too much time debugging and security-wise and all that shit. And I just want to ship projects to clients, so usually I let them get their own Replit account, you know what I mean? Come on, man. I'm getting a bit antsy, chat, waiting for the stream. Let me see what I can do on stream while waiting for that. My Fiverr's looking clean. You guys know I'm a Fiverr seller. Those who don't know, now you know. Type shit. I love that globe. That really is cool. But I have a GoDaddy VPS, and I probably will be getting a hosting of VPS for some agent stuff that I want to test.
What is the matter for today?
Man, it is taking a lot of time for just setting up prompts, chat, but that's mean it's going really detailed, you know what I mean? Once DVC is done, I'll probably start my own portfolio one. And then I think we hit the 3-hour mark for today. It's been a chill stream today. And the title wasn't lying. We are basically preparing to go to war on the 2nd. I hope all the soldiers and generals are ready. And let's take advantage of the opportunity, chat. That's what I'm talking the next 2 years. There's going to be opportunity around every single corner. Don't sleep on it. Replit is a $9 billion company. There's a reason they're worth $9 billion, if you know what I mean. I'ma always be a tailor, gang. Nina Drama, chat. You guys know Nina Drama? She's got drama going on again. Well, whoever follows the UFC probably knows Nina Drama. So funny, chat. It's maybe also important to note that the XYZ in my domain name stands for being a multi-talented, all-around skilled in everything that has to do with internet. So basically anything you need done online or offline, marketing wise, business wise or whatnot, you can reach out and we'll get it done. That's what XYZ stands for. Being a chameleon of some sorts. And Tommy is my first name, Yip's my last name. Oh shit, I ran that too early, chat. Shit, you see? Damn, chat, I ran that too early. I hope he finishes it first. Shit, chat. Well, it might be a win, it might be not, if he's smart enough to continue his work first. He should be smart enough, chat. Come on, man, run it. Alright, chat, while it's running here, let's just let it run out. And I think I'm going to close off the stream in 3 minutes. That means we hit 3 hours today. I'm going to be preparing behind the scenes. You guys should do the same. Set up all your prompts. Get every single domain name that you own a landing page. That's getting the most out of it. I've made a little to-do myself here, what we'll be preparing for the coming few days. I got some client projects. I'm going to give them the opportunity as well. I'm just going to do it for them. And then I've got my personal projects, and I got some maybe baby projects. Don't forget Slay Day 2 May. Token burn season, chat. You know what's up. Let me put this one on as a closing stream. Let's see what he replies, and then I'll leave it up to the stream if I stay. Ugh. Nah, you see I'm getting tired, chat. If I be stretching like that, that's time for a nap. Hey bro, how do you export a project from Replit? Alright, let me show you. So you go to your project. You pick any project. I'll just pick this one for now. Let me pick this one. No. That's the one that's illegal. Let me pick this one. Basically what you do. Are you looking at the stream, Dominic? Drop a fire emoji just so I know you're here. Hear me loud and clear type shit. Alright, Dominic. So, once you logged into your workspace, you click your tools and you open the Git. You look for the Git. You open the Git and you connect it to your GitHub. You basically just connect it with one click, and once it's connected, you can push it to GitHub with one button. From that point, it will live on GitHub, and it will always be synchronized with whatever you do in Replit. But even more better, once it's on GitHub, you can connect Claude Code or Codex via the MCP to GitHub, and you can code instantly on those files and then pull it back into Replit without burning Replit credits. You know what I mean? So you get the complete source code. GitHub that shit, Dominic. GitHub that shit. I'll try to connect here so you see. It asks you what you want to do. You want to call it. I'm going to private project. Run it. And then once you've done that, Claude Code can connect to it, or any agent that you use that has an MCP can connect to it. Alright, so now you can push it to the main, and from that point you can just push and pull all the time. Yeah, and you get it set up completely. It's completely your code, so you're 100% allowed to offboard it. 2 more remaining. Alright, he's going to power through that, and then he's going to start on the next. Okay, chat, I'm going to call it a day. You guys know the vibes. Keep vibe coding. Peace on the streets. And I'll see you tomorrow with an update of everything. And I think, for example, question Mark is in the early AMs where he's at. So get it done, Mark. And I hope to see a busy stream on the 2nd of May. Everybody locked in, some good vibes going. And people building projects, and more importantly, shipping projects. Actually getting them live so that we can start posting and sharing the URLs of each other, testing it. All that good stuff. Alright, chat. If you haven't joined the Dollar Vibe Club, be sure to join the Dollar Vibe Club. And other than that, I'll catch you later today. Peace. Keep vibe coding.